You're watching TelecomTV from HPE Comms World 2016 in Greece. And I'm joined now by Gadi Solomon, who is Head of Product Management at ConteXtream for HPE. Gadi, thanks for talking with TelecomTV. First of all, what is ConteXtream? What does it offer?
ConteXtream has been around for about 9 years now, and we really started doing NFV before it had a name, well before it became popular. From the start of the company, we looked at taking all these massive boxes with proprietary hardware and turning it into software and ultimately virtualizing it. Over the years, we've identified that SDN is the best mechanism for doing the networking part of that solution, and we moved into the telco SDN space and were subsequently acquired by HPE.
So what is this relationship between NFV and SDN?
NFV encompasses really a number of elements in the world of virtualization. You know, it has the compute area, it has the software, it has the storage, it has the networking. The networking part of NFV can be simple. Okay, if when you're virtualizing network functions, you're just taking the big monolithic box and making it a big monolithic piece of software. Okay, then you don't need any software. All the intelligence is in the VNF, in the virtual network function. It's all the complexities there. All the stuff that you can actually pull out, like load balancing, high availability, networking, need to be implemented for every single VNF. And that means the carriers need to test every single VNF in all scenarios. They become very unwieldy and very involve still very long times to get monetization from the services that they do. SDN lets you bring all that complexity into the network. If you put in an SDN network that is intelligent, that's programmable, that can do all the functions that are common to all VNFs, you can have simple atomic VNFs, really almost apps that can be deployed much more quickly by the operators and reach monetization quickly.
Which is going to be my next question, really. What is the benefit for the operators to go down the SDN route?
Operators look for NFV for two key areas of benefits. One is optimization, saving money, and one is monetization, accelerating time to revenue. When they want to deliver services quickly and easily, if they already have an SDN layer in place, the services are simple, they're just like apps, they can be rolled out in days or weeks rather than months or years.
How important is it that we create these ecosystems of partners to deliver these solutions?
An infrastructure doesn't deliver anything without the actual apps. So that's why HPE has the Open NFV program, and we introduce VNF partners into our solution. We qualify them, we indemnify the solution, we do support the solution as a whole and bring the telecom customer a holistic solution that they can actually derive benefits from.
So pre-testing and pre-qualifying is advantageous to the operator. It saves them time, it gives them confidence.
Exactly. So, you know, if we have a VNF that we've tested, qualified in our own labs, or code demonstrating, we know those people. We know who to talk to. It's also a people thing in the company. Then when you go to the telecom, they don't have to start figuring it all out themselves.
Now, both NFV and SDN are going to play a key part in the future evolution of networks. So when we talk about 5G coming in 5 years plus time, they're going to be the building blocks, aren't they?
5G is all about decentralization and lowering costs. You know, the cost models of mobile networks have to go down while the bandwidth is going up. On the other hand, the telcos need to deliver services to get more revenue back that they've lost to all this competition and cost reduction in what end users are paying. So with SDN and NFV, we can reach that goal. So NFV, by turning all these massive boxes into pieces of software on standard servers, and SDN for distributing the network, distributing the ability to deliver services closer to the user if they're latency sensitive services, and also if they're very high bandwidth, so you don't have to traverse the entire networks with high bandwidth.
So for an operator that wants to get ready for 5G, even though we're still in the standards process and we're still defining what's going on and commercialization is still some years away, approaching NFV and SDN now is an advisable strategy.
Right, and there's a natural place to start, and that's in the mobile world, in the GI LAN or in other networks, behind the access router or the BNG. That's where today it's an IP network. You can deploy services, and when 5G comes along, you can move those services close to the user. They're the ones that need to have latency sensitive and high bandwidth.
Excellent. Gadi, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.